Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Working on the old Prius today. I got a 2010 Prius and I'm changing the rear brake calipers. On these cars, if they're older, you are better off to buy the brake calipers brand new and put them on than trying to ratchet the caliper seals back, because they stick and they tear and they wad up, and then it just causes you nothing but problems. So as you can see, I'm putting a brand new caliper on, and part of the problem is this bracket right here is where, if I can get it to focus, this bracket where I'm pointing is where the emergency brake cable comes through. Now the emergency brake cable has got little tangs on it, and you know, my car is a Southern car, so it's not super rusty, but these tangs on this thing, if I can get it if you get it to see, you can see the tangs right here. They stick out and they're a pain in the neck to try to get them all in to slide it out of the bracket. So what I did, the little trick that I did was, let me find it here. I know it's here. Right here. Is I took and I set this over top. This is a hose clamp, little hose clamp, fuel line hose clamp, and I set this over the top of that when it's in the bracket, and then I tighten it up and I leave a little bit of space, and it allowed me to slide this emergency brake cable, parking brake cable, out through the bracket, and then it saved the ears, so you can just slide it back in. They make a special tool for this, but a hose clamp works just fine, and I've used this on both sides of the car. It's been a big help. So just wanted to give you a little tip today. But if you're thinking about doing the brakes on your back of your Prius, my advice is buy a set of brake calipers. Don't mess around with anything else. It's just they're aluminum. They aren't super expensive, and it's just so much easier than working with old stuff.